Hello there.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
We are going on a nature trail.
Yeah.
And also going to do some
Geocache?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to try and find some of those. There's none here, but
Wait.
there are some close. Oh, Cartwheel. I think Lena has a sticker on her butt.
No, that's not my dad.
All right, let's hit up this nature trail. Woohoo.
I hope we don't get stuck.
What's that? Look at that piece of wood.
It scared me for a
What is
minute.
that?
It scared me for a minute. Daddy, Mom, Daddy, Daddy,
Looks like a whale tail.
It does look like a whale tail.
Daddy.
What is it, buddy?
You literally see a snake that you run away.
Okay.
You see a snake run away? It does look like a whale tail. Or a mermaid tail. Interesting.
Or both.
Or both. That's cool. Don't kick it, guys.
I got an idea. Come here, Chrissy.
What?
Sure, sit down.
I'll sit out
Just
there.
sit on it. Sit on it. I'll take a picture.
I can't get up, Daddy. Can you help me
Wait,
get
what's
up?
up?
I want you to take a picture.
Cheese, Chrissy.
He's
so cute. This is cool. Watch your step.
Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back. Come on, let's go get.
No.
Let's go get the dunes are all that right there. It's amazing how the trees grow out like that, right? Hey, don't shake it.
Do not touch that. Do not.
Scared, silly?
Chris.
Come on, Papa.
Chris, just walk the path, buddy.
Just follow me, Papa. Follow me. Pay attention.
Well, this was a big one.
Yeah.
I mean, you see, I just you run away.
So beautiful.
Okay,
here.
so.
It is. Very pretty.
Oh, it's good. Can y'all take a second and breathe?
I can already.
Yes, breathe in that
Can you
oxygen.
breathe that fresh air?
Mm. All I can see is Dad's back. Dad's back. That's all I see. Get behind me, young man.
Wait, guys.
Wait for Mama. Wait for Mama. Oh, this is such an interesting little trail.
Whoa.
Look at the Spanish moss in there.
Oh, Spanish moss.
This is Spanish moss.
Oh, that's good.
So pretty.
I feel like a little piece of paper in there.
Where's this lead to, Mom?
I don't know.
I see a.
We've never been.
No backpack.
We have no water, no backpacks, nothing. No diapers. Nobody's in diapers anymore. Oh, for yourself?
Yeah.
I don't know where this leads. I'm scared.
I think it ends up here.
Oh, the sun. I can feel the sun on my
I can
back.
feel the sun. It looks like we're walking in snow.
We should brought some
This
sandwiches.
is Emerald Coast sand for you. White
sand,
as
you know?
snow.
It's like, this is our snow, yeah.
This is a beautiful beer. This is so sick.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
We made it out.
We made it. We made it. Amazing.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Let's sit down there. Should we go down? I'm going down.
This is so pretty. We were just in there. Yeah, you can go down there. Go ahead.
Where did people go?
Wow. I'm proud of you.
I think that's a part of the dune zone.
I think we're supposed to go this way.
This way, friends.
But I'm so impressed that you did not fall on your face just now. The water. How far does this go? I think it goes pretty far. I've never been this far.
That's why people say
Oh. Come on, guys. So pretty. What was that, Chris? What was that? Looks like I've never been this far. Let's see. Oh, Vanessa's whining already.
Okay,
I want to
there's
see
so
where
many.
this goes.
Why is it
So interesting.
Okay, it's still going on. I
Oh,
can do
look.
it.
Is that a butterfly cocoon?
There's 2.
Is it?
3.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I got my camera zoomed in. So there's that one. There's another one right here. Oh. Is it a butterfly cocoon?
Wait.
Looks like it.
I think I see a 4th one.
Interesting. Oh yeah. Wow.
There's the up here.
No, you don't get up there, baby.
Mommy, we love it.
Looks like we're going into another little forest here.
I want to keep going, but I want to.
That's a pretty pine tree.
Wait, no! Why do you keep telling us?
Because people obviously keep going up there and they have to remind them. Ooh, this is gonna get interesting.
Do we go straight or do we go that way?
We're gonna wait for Dad. Ooh, which way should we go?
This way.
I think we should go straight.
Everyone, comment down below.
Yeah. Comment down below. Should we go left or right?
I think.
What do you think, Dad? Left or right?
Let me talk to nature for a second. I think we should go right.
All right, let's do it.
No, wait. I think we should go left.
What?
No, wait. I think right. Nature is failing me. Right.
All right, let's do it. Woo!
Why is nature failing us?
Why is nature failing me?
Guys, I'm find something.
I'm so scared.
Don't step on. Okay.
What is it? It's a pine cone. Don't step on it. What are you doing?
Come on.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Go.
Jump, hop, and skip.
Jump. Go.
Oh.
Lena, go.
Oh, don't kill nature. I'm going to very carefully avoid everything that they just did not. Oh, man. Nature.
Nature.
I think we should.
We should have went straight. Oh, no.
Guys, wait for me. Come here.
Wait. I gotta get across. Oh, oh my gosh. I don't have my mud shoes on. I made it. Wow. It's like in the jungle. This is so interesting. Wow. Whew. There's definitely something in those trees. Definitely. I just heard them rustle. Oh my God, it could be a bear. I gotta go. Oh gosh. All right, we're about to head back in the trees here.
We kept finding Ys.
Yeah, we did. It was really weird.
Yeah, I think we're getting hunted by Ys.
So we're gonna head back in the trees.
Is that the Y?
And hopefully we're gonna be able to get up close to this really cool tree that's up here. So, okay, come on. There were some people on it earlier and I didn't wanna, film them. So hopefully they left. And hopefully we can show you guys. It's really cool looking. Let the kids climb on it and stuff. Whew, I'm out of breath. Here? Did we make it?
We're home. We're home.
We're pretty far from home.
They're gone.
But look at these trees, guys. They are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. They are adorable. It is so pretty through here.
Wait, Lily, I got you, baby. Stand over here, Bubba.
Ow. Look at these pretty trees.
Mom, where's the thing lives in holes and trees?
All kinds of little animals can get in there. Squirrels and...
Can you help me?
Okay, here's the prayer of the woods, guys. This is what I wanted to share with y'all. It's really cool. Take a picture of that. Y'all can pause it and read it. It's really cool. I love it.
It's so deep.
Oh, Mama, look at Lily.
Oh, look at you.
Stand up. Stand up. And hold that tree right to your left. Put your hand right there. There you go.
Oh, Lily, your first time climbing a tree.
Wait. I can only do one at a time. Lily,
Woohoo!
do not let go, okay? There you go. All right.
Oh.
Don't let go.
Go, Lily.
Wait, wait, Papa, I gotta keep eye on her.
She got it. I used to climb trees all the time when I was a kid.
Stand up.
So pretty.
You have to put your hand right there. There you go. And then you're going to bring this hand back over here again.
All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining us on this nature trail. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Say bye, Chrissy.
Bye,
Woo, we're gonna get some ice cream.
Yeah.
See y'all later.